Welcome to TechAid. First of all, I would like to thank you for watching my videos and subscribing it. Please comment your views and suggestions. Still not subscribed? Then please like, share and subscribe. Let's go to today's video on how to run Windows operating virtual machine on your PC using VMware Workstation. Let's have a demo. You can see I created Windows 10 64-bit operating system whose RAM is of 4 GB and a hard disk of 100 GB. System sound, audio, display are auto-detected. Now power on the virtual system. Windows 10 is fully booted, and it's exactly the same as the operating system on the computer. Go to browser and check the internet connectivity. It works fine. RAM and hard disk are same as mentioned. Now let's build one virtual machine. First step. Go to a browser and type VMware Workstation and download the latest Windows version. After downloading, install it. Second step. Now type Windows 10 ISO. After opening the link, search for ISO image file. But you will not see it. Now right-click and select Inspect. Then select the Toggle Device option. Click on Dimensions and select iPhone SE. Reload the page. You can see Windows Edition. Select Windows 10, 64-bit and download. Third step. Create a virtual machine. Select typical method. And select Windows 10 operating system. Select the storage space required. VMware recommends to split the partitions into small files. Now customize the hardware. As my computer is of 16 GB RAM, I can select up to 13 GB. Let's select 4 GB. Click Finish. Now the virtual machine is ready. You should now give the ISO file to the system. Select Edit and CD and browse for ISO file. Make sure connect at power on is on. Now power on the virtual machine. Press on the black screen. Complete the Windows setup. Press Custom Install. can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can go with a local account. Windows got installed. But you can see it is not a full screen. Now it is the time to install VMware tools. Click Install Tools. Open folder and open CD drive and install the tool. Now it's fully installed and ready to use. You can see storage details, which is 100 GB. In About you can see the RAM details, Windows edition and version. Go to Update and Security and check the activation status. Go to a browser and check the network connectivity status. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.